everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been really long. Happy 2020. So today's video I am going to talk to you about The Ordinary, the brand by Deciem, a Canadian brand. So a lot of people do not know how to use these products, or they're just confused because there's nothing much told. So all of us have to Google or YouTube it out. So I thought, why not make a video on how to use the AHA BHA peeling and the niacinamide. So if you live in India and you want to use The Ordinary products, you can check out beautybay.com. you can see Cult Beauty, and I think The Ordinary page also ships it to India. I'm not very sure. And if you live in Dubai, UAE, you can there's one app, I'll link it down below. And other than that, you can check out the other Instagram stores. There's one called as Glam Cart, which is really good. So I got mine from Glam Cart and I got them on discount. So I picked up the AHA and BHA peeling formula. I hope you guys can see it. And I picked up the niacinamide. So this is how the bottle looks. It's a glass bottle and it has a dropper. I put this very tight so that it's easy for me while traveling. So this is how the dropper is, and it's a very bloody formula. Okay, so things about this product you need to know and remember always is, do not keep it out in the sunlight. See that this product is kept in a cold, dark place. Please don't keep it in the fridge, it's going to get spoiled. And don't keep it out, it's going to get spoiled either. So keep it in a cold place which is dark. That's how this product is going to remain good. And this product basically has AHA 30% and BHA 2%. So the AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, is 30%, and the BHA, which is beta hydroxy acid, is 2%. So this is a very good formula, and the pH level of this is 3.6. So how I personally use this is once a week, but what's recommended is to use twice a week. But I would like to tell you guys, if you're a first timer, do use this only once in 15 days. And before putting this up on your face for the first time, please patch test it over here, so that you come to know whether this is going to work out for you or no. You'll have a light tingling sensation when you put this on, and see that you don't keep this on for more than 10 minutes. Please, this is a chemical peel, it's not a physical exfoliant. So please see that you don't use it for more than 10 minutes. That's very important for you to know. And don't overuse this just because you have it. Please don't overuse it, because that can damage your skin. End of the day, this is a chemical exfoliant. So if you are someone who has very sensitive skin and you want to try this product, maybe you can talk to your dermatologist, talk to him or her about the chemical peel. You can talk about this product, tell him or her that it's an AHA of 30% and a BHA of 2%. So let's see what your dermatologist says, and if he or she says it's good for you, you can use it, you can go ahead. But if you're somebody who has skin like me, which is dry and normal and patch tested, then you can just go ahead and use this product. So the next product I'm going to talk to you about is the niacinamide. So this is how the niacinamide looks. This is the bottle. Again, all The Ordinary products come in this form. If it's a liquid product, if it's a face wash, it has the regular face wash. So this is how the product is. It's a little bit thick, if you can see. I hope this camera catches it. It's a little thick. So this product is good for anyone who has oily skin, and also who have skin which is prone to blemishes and acne. So niacinamide is a product which you can use every single night. So you wash your face, you tone it, you serum, you add your niacinamide to your face, and then moisturize it. But I have to be very honest with you guys, there have been studies which say that vitamin C and niacinamide go well together. But yet again, we have a lot of products in the market which have high intensity of vitamin C, which will not work well with niacinamide. So I recommend you not to use vitamin C or vitamin E products when you're using the niacinamide. And the days you don't want to use this product, you can go ham with vitamin C or vitamin E. So these two products are a very big yes from me, the niacinamide and the AHA BHA chemical peeling. But yet again, if you have very sensitive skin, go to your dermatologist, talk to him or her and see what they tell for you, because there are dermatologists who do the same procedure in the consultation room or the hospital room. Yeah, one of those rooms. So they do that as well. So maybe you can go there and get your stuff done. So, but from me, this is a big yes. I have already used the chemical peel twice, and I kid you not guys, I'm not wearing any foundation today, just wearing lipstick, eyeliner, mascara, and what is that, eyeshadow. So this is all what I'm wearing, nothing else at all. You can see it, and my skin looks perfectly fine. I'm liking how it looks, and this is my no makeup look today, and I'm very happy about it. So these two products are a big yes from me. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys still have some more doubts about these products, do leave your questions in the comments below and I will respond back to you all. So do share, like, subscribe to this channel and show me some love.